a free tool in order to record. So what I would like for you to do is go to any browser, well, preferably Chrome, Google Chrome, and use Loom. And Loom is a free screen share tool that you can use in order to share videos, provide instructions, or what have you. So I already have Loom installed, but I wanted to share with you how to install it and how to use it. So go to www.useloom.com and click sign in Loom and share. So if you already have a Gmail account, you can click continue with Google because it is a Google product. Or if you have a Slack account, you can sign in with Slack. So once you sign in and give your username and password, it will provide it will ask you if you want to add the Google Chrome extension to your browser. So this is the Loom symbol right here. So since I already have it installed, once you sign up, let's take a look. So continue to use with Google, and I'm already signed into my account. So it's going to ask me if I want to record using my face or if I want to record just using the screen or if I want to record just my face only. So it will also record using just your Gmail account. So if I wanted to record this full desktop, I could do so right now. So that's all you need to do is sign in and select how you would like to record. Now, if I do screen only, it will show whatever image that I have with my Gmail account since I signed in with Gmail. I'm not sure if you signed in with Slack, what would happen. So I'm going to go to my YouTube account and just share with you my channel so you can see. I'm not going to go into any explanations or anything, but I just want you to see how you can show or change or show someone how to do something. If you wanted to, I just changed my YouTube channel header. I can click on this and upload a new photo or go to my photos and upload any of these images. So really quickly, I just wanted to let you know how to use Loom, and when you're finished recording, you hit stop. And what it will do is it will ask you if you want to share the whole thing or if you just want to show the application window. And I can get started with showing my screen. And as you see down here, it'll say, whenever you want to stop sharing, if you want to hide this. Now, even if you want to hide that toolbar, it does not show up on your final recording. And as you can see, as I'm talking, the audio bar, this is highlighted to let you know that I'm active. If I want to cancel the recording, I can click here or do Alt Shift C. I can pause the recording. I can finish the recording by doing this since I minimized the toolbar, or I can just click the toolbar back up and stop sharing. If I want to hide this menu, with these control features, I can do that as well, and it will just show my face. So that is how you use Loom. So Loom is letting me know that they grabbed that from my email, that they grabbed that image that was here from my email. You can type, you can name your video. And what's great is once you finish recording, you can also do social sharing directly to your account. You can, once you have connected this, you can connect directly to your social media account, or you can share here as well. You can also trim. So say the video, normally Loom, when it first started, it used to only do 10-minute videos. So if you do the playback and you notice that it's kind of long, then you can always cut what you don't want. So these are the things that you can click on this wheel here. And if you want to password protect the video so only certain people can see, and you wanted to send it via email, you could do so. If you wanted to be notified if someone commented on the video, you can turn this to yes or no, green or red. If you would like comments on the video, if you want the video to be downloadable, do you want to show the analytics to the viewer? And then, of course, you press save. Now, if you want to download it for yourself, you may do so by clicking this download button. And actually, I highly recommend that, because when Loom first started, it was they only kept it for 30 days and then they deleted it from the cloud. But that is no longer true. If you play the video and you decide that you don't like the video at all, you can delete it here. And here you can see the total number of views. And I need to modify the title. I'm a little tongue-tied. How to use Loom. So, if you would like to add this to your YouTube channel, you can add it here. And that's all. And after you have done the videos, you can see all the videos here that you have created. And if you want to create a new public folder that people can go and search for your videos, you can do so here. Or if you want to create or categorize different folders. So since I will use Loom for creating tips and sharing information, all of my resource reader tips videos can go in here. And let's see, I just moved that video right to the resource readers tip folder. So it will no longer show up there, but I still have access to it. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on social media at Kathy E. Smith, and that's Kathy with the C, E. Smith. And I will also post it on my YouTube channel, which is Kathy E. Smith. So thank you for tuning in.